Hi, I'm Aubrey Going. Just wanted to let you know about an upcoming class that we have in CMT, Corrective Manual Therapy. So we've put together a short A&P video for our upcoming class. This one is on the ankle, and in particular we're going to look at the rocker motion between the talus and the tibia. Really important joint, surprisingly important for both ascending and descending dysfunctions. It can cause gait problems and all kinds of other stuff. We're going to go through the assessment. We're going to talk about what the condition is first. Then we're going to go through assessing to see if your client has this. We're going to go through treatment. Then we're going to look at specific techniques for targeting the soft tissue that contributes to this type of dysfunction, and then looking at some joint work as well. Then we'll do some home retraining so your client is able to maintain the benefits of treatment. And then at the end, we're going to have a Q&A section. Because this is an entirely virtual class, it means you can join live, and it means you get to ask questions as we go. So the class will be recorded. So for the one fee, you'll be able to not only join the live class, but you'll also get lifetime access to the recordings. It doesn't time out. You can watch these as many times as you like. We hope to see you online. I'll put links in the description and you'll be able to go to our website, watch that little short anatomy video, and you can also then book your place. And hopefully we'll see you on Monday the 13th at 7:30 p.m. Irish time. Thanks very much, folks. See you soon.